This is my master bedroom. We just had it painted. We had a really cute colors. We had this turquoise color, blue color on one side, and who knows what the name of that color is, but this type of beigey, tanny type of color on the other walls. And so now we can finally move into the place and make it our own. We also had our closet done, which was very nice. We're having a closet design, but this is what it looks like so far. We white walls, and of course our bathroom was also painted on the ceiling as well as a basic white. I make it homey. It's always recommend to people you paint your house as soon as you get into it. It took us a little time to get this particular room painted. We did the casita. I showed a video of that quite a while ago, and this one. And now the painter right now today is finishing off the living room. So I'll show you that once it's done. It's looking really good. We're enjoying having nice beachy colors here on the beach in Mexico. If you're interested in more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and go get on my newsletter. I come out with a weekly newsletter. It's at expatrebel.com/newsletter. I give all the expat news and some updates of what's going on here in our house renovation on the Mexican beach in Yucatan, Mexico. See you guys next time. Bye.